Okay guys, are you ready for another one of our gingerbread series DIYs? Okay, this I saw on Pinterest, and after I saw it I thought I have to do this. What you're going to need is your cinnamon gingerbread man, and or if you find a gingerbread that you like, you can buy it if you want. A mitt, an oven mitt from the Dollar Tree. A pick. I'm going to put a pine cone, I believe. This berry pick and this pick as well. Cute idea for a gift as well for someone, I think. Or just to add to your own decor. There are more things out right now for gingerbread, but sometimes I like to put my own spin on what I'm doing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fill this up a little bit so everything doesn't fall to the bottom. What you could do is put a couple paper bags in here, and if I had any up here I would, but I don't. So I'm just going to put some more of my garland that I've been using throughout this series and just stuff that in there. But a couple, well, you'd have to be a little careful unless you want it real full looking. You don't want it to be real puffy with the bags, you know. And again, that's just personal preference. So I've got my garland cut. I'm going to put it in. I don't want that long piece. And if you have little ones at home or the grandkids are over, you could make these cinnamon gingerbread with them. I'm just stuffing the mitt, oven mitt. Let's add some more. Okay. Now let's put, I think I'm going to put a, well, maybe I should put that one. I got to get my gingerbread man in there first because he's going to take up a lot of the room. That's cute already. Look at that. And that is where I think I'm going to use this lighter twine. And again, if I had some red and white gingham, I would put it around his neck for a ribbon, but I don't, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to leave it long, and it matches my wooden spoons. Here's a pick. And then I want to put our other pick. Which I think is adorable with this, don't you? Look at that. Is that adorable? And then, what about and again, you could cut this and only use half depending on what you want to do. That is so cute. And then here's your little hook, and you can hook it onto your wall, or you could lay it against something, but all these things through my series that you've seen, you will see in my kitchen on my Christmas home tour. So guys, truly it couldn't get any easier. Couple wooden spoons. Let's see, do we want this one over here as I'm talking to you, just messing around with it? No, I like them closer together. Like that. I like it like that. And let's get a heart out. Let's do this one, you guys. Remember when I made this one, the cutout, and I did the gingerbread in between the, I'm going to put him right where you can see him. I'm going to stick him right there. So what do you think? I think this turned out adorable. So guys, until our next DIY get together, whatever we do, we'll do together. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.